Hello everyone, today we're making the diamond bag by Mr. Jason Merrill. This is a pretty advanced fire, but compared to some jets, this is very easy. Please don't judge me by this model because this is a very old model and it's been under lots of junk. That's why it's like this, and it was very old and I didn't know how to fold it, so yeah, that's why. Yeah, now let's get to the folding. You'll need a square sheet of paper. Any size will do, but if you need this, then it'll be 8.5. So let's begin. First, wait, sorry. Let's do this. Yeah. When you're folding this, don't bring it like this, just leave a tiny gap. I hope this doesn't take long. This plane is badass. I'm saying that because it won't get copied. Now finally crease. It will help if you have a folding stone because it'll make the creases sharper and more efficient. Just match that up. The main thing in this plane is symmetry. So yeah, you need to be important with the symmetry. Wait, crimp. And one thing, please don't complain about difficulty because this is a very advanced model, and if you're a beginner, you should not try this. I would suggest you try models from Foldable Fight. He makes pretty yeah, I forgot the name. Pretty beginner friendly models, and I started with them. Now you're gonna put these down. No, this edge, but not sharp crease. Make a point, then bring this point, make the center line. Then say that's good. Yeah. I'll be enough. Right, there's a so yeah, you made this crease. The crease that you made, this, yeah, this, yeah, this crease, this intersection, this point. Sorry if you can't see this. Wallpaper is very hard to manage with the creases, so it's very hard to keep track. Then match the other side as well.